Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to deposit funds into your account on the MEXC Exchange. As you saw in the previous tutorial, we registered and completed identity verification on this exchange. Now to fund your account, you need to go to this menu and select the deposit option, then choose on-chain deposits. On the next page, set your desired currency to USDT and select the TRX network. As you can see on this network, the deposit time is 1 minute and 2 confirmations are required for this transaction. The destination address will be displayed to you and the minimum deposit amount to this address is 0.01. Open your wallet app on your mobile phone. Select the desired currency, which is Tether on the Tron network, and click on Send. You need to enter the destination address in the first field, and in the next field, select the amount you want to deposit. Click on Next. On the next page, the source address, destination address, transaction fee, and total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking on Confirm and entering your password, the payment will be processed. After completing the transaction, on this page you can click on More Details to view more information about your transaction on the Tronscan website. Return to the exchange page. On this page, in the wallet section, you can see the balance added to your exchange wallet, and at the bottom of this page, the details of your deposit transaction will be displayed. This was the tutorial on how to fund your account on the MEXC Exchange using the TRC20 Tether method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.